Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro, and today we're going to be taking a look at our RV Central Vacuum Maxumizer Cleaning Kit. This is an accessory kit for a central vacuum system. So the product code for this is RP-2112. And within this kit, you've got a 7-foot hose that expands to 35 feet, a combo rug floor tool, crevice nozzle, an upholstery tool, a dusting brush, and an extendable wand. So this is for use with the Dirt Devil multiple Dirt Devil ones. However, it can also be used with any central inlet valve that is 1 3/8 inch. So this is designed for RVs, campers, boats, and any other kind of small space. You can even use this in your home. It's great because it's hidden out of the way. The central vacuum system is hidden out of the way. So this takes up less than a cubic foot of storage space altogether, and so it keeps your house clean and it doesn't take up the space that a normal vacuum cleaner would. So if you want to find out more about this, you can click the link below, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.